Hello friends, my name is Himanshu Kumar and my channel is Pratigya Continuous Study Classes. So let's go on topic for current topics. Nowadays each day by day increase COVID-19, but everyone demoralized. Why is coronavirus day by day increase? Just my first points, my opinion. I think my realize COVID-19 day by day increase, but many peoples are not full of lives. COVID-19 is increase, but someday, some month or some years, but after that decrease. But I have realized one things that but in these times so many crashes increase. But just like Hindi meaning is Tidhi. In these times in India many people just like Tidhi is flying. Other state and other districts. But government has provides and request if you just like for control then they will decrease. But government has provides 20 lakh crore rupees, just like GDP 10% distribute the public in India. But I realize other sectors government has provides money. Now just 1 week ago, Garib Kalyan Yojana in Katihar district, each government has launched one scheme, Garib Kalyan Yojana, 15,000 lakh Garib Kalyan Yojana. Every district 25,000 peoples are work one district. Just like I think 125 district include. And not enough. But is one districts are available. Minimum 1 lakh migrant worker in Bihar because no one construction, no one industry, and no one company and others for technology. But government has also not provides for industry company. If you are provides industry company not increase 1 lakh one district migrant worker just like compared to other states, just like in Mumbai, in Delhi, in Calcutta, in Goa, in Bangalore, just like in Lucknow. No one maximum 50,000 in city are available migrant worker, but everyone's if you are talented just like typing, yeah, others educations and just like others writing skills, then definitely you will success in other districts. But if you talent other sector, but in Bihar, if you are belongs to Bihar districts, in Bihar districts, no one help. But in day by day increase, just like in education sector in Bihar are 67% are educated, but a higher education 10 to 20% because no one just like no one provide and comfortable in higher education. The cute higher 10 plus 2 and now graduate after no one parents provide the money, then you will choose any private sector and government sectors. And in these times, no one available in Bihar private sector. Everyone defends government jobs. Then definitely day by day increase migrant worker and no one skill distribute other. But if you everyone talent, then you will success definitely private and government. But if you support you are belongs to Bihar and you are belongs to UP, but compared to UP, then developed between two in Bihar states. But In this time, the Chief Minister Nitish Babu is provides Jal Jeevan, Garib Kalyan Yojana, and Manrega. Many of peoples are work Manrega and other private sectors provides in these times, because in these times day by day increase COVID-19. In these times, in Bihar states, he highlight this in states, because after 3 months ago election, now in these times everyone's for gathering party and public, everyone's just like for speaking. My leaders in one, just like BJP, JDU, RJD, Congress, Hum, and other parties. Everyone's for gathering and peoples are leaders are visited the peoples in other area and other districts and other city, because 3 months after 3 months you will start the election in Bihar state. No one cared before 3 months, but nowadays everyone's leaders care is not available. Just few week after finish the work, because after 3 months ago election, after you will leader just like win the match election, win match after 1 years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, no one work, but 1 years everyone's care, because election will come, everyone care. Okay, today I topic COVID-19 related points and Yojana related schemes. Just like Yojana and schemes are also English words, but sometimes break after you. I am provide the lectures. Today I okay. Jai Hind.